Have you ever wondered what happens when Google combines powerful AI, a next-generation processor, and one of the world's best smartphone cameras into one device? Well, the answer could be the Google Pixel 11 Pro. Google is finally set to unveil the Pixel 11 lineup on August 12, 2026, and based on the latest leaks, this could be one of the smartest Android phones ever made. But is it powerful enough to beat the latest iPhone and Samsung Galaxy Flagship? Let's find out. At first glance, the Pixel 11 Pro still looks like a Pixel, but Google has refined the design to make it feel even more premium. The signature camera bar remains, giving the phone its unique identity, while the overall design looks cleaner and more modern. Leaks also suggest beautiful color options inspired by Google's style. On the front, the Pixel 11 series is expected to feature a 6.3-inch OLED display with a sharp 1080x2424 resolution. The screen should deliver rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness, making it perfect for YouTube, Netflix, gaming, and everyday use. Whether you're indoors or outside, the display is expected to look bright, smooth, and beautiful. Now let's talk about what could be the biggest upgrade. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to be powered by Google's brand new Tensor G6 processor, built using TSMC's advanced 2nm technology. This is a major step forward. The new chip is expected to deliver faster performance, smoother gaming, better battery efficiency, and smarter AI features. Google is also replacing its previous modem with the new MediaTek M90 modem, which promises stronger signal reception, improved call quality, faster mobile data, and better power efficiency. The phone is expected to come with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, giving users plenty of power for gaming, multitasking, video editing, and storing thousands of photos and videos. If there's one reason people love Pixel phones, it's the cameras. According to recent leaks, Google is improving the camera hardware across the Pixel 11 lineup. The base model is expected to feature a new 50-megapixel main camera, while the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to receive upgraded telephoto cameras for better zoom performance. But Pixel cameras have never been just about megapixels. Google's software and AI processing are what truly make them special. You can expect natural colors, sharp details, excellent portrait photos, stunning night photography, and incredibly stable videos. Whether you're capturing your family, traveling, or creating content for social media, the Pixel 11 Pro is expected to deliver professional-looking results with very little effort. Google continues to lead the smartphone industry in artificial intelligence. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to launch with Android 17, featuring deep integration with Gemini AI. This means your phone won't just answer questions. It will help complete multi-step tasks, summarize information, improve photos, assist with writing, and make everyday activities much faster. Another exciting new feature is called Pixel Glow. Instead of the old temperature sensor, Google is expected to introduce a customizable RGB mini LED light built into the camera bar. It can glow in different colors for calls, messages, notifications, or specific contacts, making the phone look both useful and futuristic. These smart AI features are what truly separate Pixel phones from many other Android devices. Leaks suggest the Pixel 11 could include a 4,985 mAh battery, offering all-day battery life for most users. Google is expected to launch the Pixel 11 lineup on August 12, 2026, with the base model starting at $899, and this time 256 GB storage becomes the standard, while the old 128 GB version is being removed. If these leaks turn out to be true, the Google Pixel 11 Pro could become one of the smartest flagship smartphones of 2026. It combines premium design, powerful AI, impressive cameras, next-generation performance, and Google's clean Android experience into one exciting package. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.